Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Badoo account using your Badoo application. So you have a Badoo account, you want to log into that account using a new device or using the same device, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log into your Badoo account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So to log into your Badoo account, what you need to do is download the Badoo application if you don't have it. So in order to log into your Badoo account, you'll need the Badoo application. So if you don't have the Badoo application, what you can do is you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store according to your device. So once you have the Badoo application, open the Badoo application. Once you open the Badoo application, you land an interface like this. Now here you will have the option to use a Facebook account as a Badoo account or log in using a Facebook account. So if you want to do that, just simply tap on the continue with Facebook button right over here. Then if you don't want to do that, if you want to log into your independent Badoo account, what you want to do is tap on already have an account. If you have an account already created in a Badoo, so tap on that option. Then you'll have two options again, one to log in with the Google account, then log in with your email or phone number. So choose one of those. I'll choose my email or phone number option. Once you do that, you'll land an interface like this. Now here you will have to enter some credentials in order to log into your account. The credentials being your email or your phone number and a password. So enter any of those, email or your phone number, then enter the password of the account that you want to log into. So I'll enter my email, then I'll enter my password. So once you enter your email address or phone number and a password, what you want to do is tap on the sign in button. Then you'll be asked to allow the location permission, so go ahead and allow the permission. Once you do that, you'll again be asked for your permission, location permission, so allow it. Once you do that, you'll successfully log into your Badoo account. As you can see, now you can enjoy using your Badoo account. So those are the simple steps in order to log into your Badoo account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.